Sorry if you got the message wrong, people, but when I said porn, I meant kitty porn. Look at those 6 nipples. Covered by all that body hair. Mmm. That's hot. Mmm. Peanut. Peanut? Baby? Mmm, yeah. Uh-huh. You like that shit, huh? Don't you? Ooh. Right there. Ooh. Ah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Just joking. But seriously, if you're a cat watching this right now, you're a fucking pervert. Okay, I think that's enough. That peanut. This is going on. No, no. This is whatever. Say bye to the camera. Okay, that's not bye, but oh yeah, there you. Oh, let's get a sky view. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Strut your stuff. Can you do with a spin? I'll help you out with the spin. Ready? Okay, now spin. Ow, shit! Alright, that's it.